I always make this breakfast when I don't have time. Let's start our recipe by cutting 2 sausages in half. And guys, don't forget to tell me which country or city you're watching from so I can send a special hug to those interacting with our page. Next, we'll make cuts in the middle of them, just like I'm doing. Now, I'll add 4 slices of mozzarella cheese, placing 1 on each sausage piece. The cheese will melt and make everything even more delicious. I'm sure this recipe will be an explosion of flavors in your mouth. In a frying pan, let's add a tortilla. Then, I'll place the 4 sausage pieces on top of the tortilla. Now, we'll carefully add 4 eggs, placing 1 in each space between the sausages, to create a perfect combination of flavors. This mix will win your taste buds over. Now let's season with a pinch of salt and a touch of black pepper. Now for that special touch, we need to grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Who doesn't love cheese, right? Then we'll transfer all this delicious cheese onto our tortilla, generously covering the eggs and sausages. To add some freshness to the recipe, I'll chop some parsley. I'm sure you'll love making this recipe at home. It's super easy to make, and the result is simply delicious. Let's add all the chopped parsley to the tortilla, bringing an amazing flavor and special color. Now we need to cover it with another tortilla on top. Let's cover our frying pan and let it cook on medium heat until one side is golden. After a few minutes using a plate, let's flip the tortilla and cook the other side. Meanwhile, let's slice a tomato into rounds. Watch the video until the end. The final dish will delight you. Now, we transfer the tomato slices on top of our tortilla. I'll add some slices of mozzarella cheese on top. Finish it off with a little parsley. More grated mozzarella cheese. The melting cheese will be the cherry on top. And some oregano, which will give that special and refreshing flavor to the recipe. Now it's time to cover our frying pan and let the cheese melt completely. The smell that will fill your kitchen will be mouth-watering, and our recipe is ready. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy this practical and delicious breakfast. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next recipe.